What's going on, guys? It's Jason with Amainhobbies, and it's Christmas time around here, and I wanted to share some news with you guys. Oxy Heli recently announced their Oxy 4 in order to be paired with their current family of helicopters, the Oxy 3 and the smaller Oxy 2. Now, I've been talking with Luca very frequently since he announced all of the specs, information, pictures, etc. on social media, and after we've been talking for a little while, we actually right now have a kit coming from the first production run so that we can go ahead and make this video for you guys about the introduction to the Oxy 4, some of its features. We can cover the electronics layout, wiring, flight videos, you name it. We're going to do our very best to provide you exclusive coverage on the Oxy 4, so check out the video. All right, guys, it's been a couple days, and UPS brought us a fantastic treat today. This is the Oxy 4. Now, keep in mind, this is a pre-production kit, and this isn't even the factory box that your kit will be packaged in. I expect the parts in the box to be bubble wrapped or padded or something like that. It's not at all in any way the final production of how the packaging will come. And additionally, since this is a pre-production sample, I'm essentially checking this for final quality assurance on behalf of Oxy, and if anything needs to be changed, it will be changed before you guys receive your kits. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and open this box, and we're going to take a look and see what we're going to get. Bam! All right, just like I expected. Lots of bubble wrap. Again, this is pre-production, so we're testing all this out. This is not in any way the final product of packaging that you will receive. Don't need that. So we've got ZO 325 blades. These will be included with your kit. I've confirmed that with Oxy. Additionally, they have sent me the 350 for stretch, but this will not be included in your kit. This is an optional upgrade that will be available at a later date. So this is the stretch packaging. This may be the final packaging for the stretch upgrade. I'm not sure, but this is probably what it will look like, considering it's got the standard Oxy header card, the barcode, yada, yada, yada. And I've also got some optional parts. I have a 23-tooth pulley and the flybarless rotor head, FBL, if you will. It's not the DFC, so it uses a standard linkage with a mixing arm. I believe we'll take a look at that when we get it built. But again, just going through some of the optional parts that came with the kit for my testing so I can provide feedback to Oxy. And here it is. This is the meat and potatoes. This is, again, it's all bagged, as you can see, in a Ziploc bag. So your final production kit will be vastly different than this bag of awesomeness that I have here in front of me. So we've got our tail boom. Got the canopy, and I know you guys are really excited to see this canopy. This is what sold me on the kit. I saw this canopy and just like the shape, the aggressive look, the profile, all of it. I saw it and I was like, yes, that's awesome. So let me know your guys' thoughts on the canopy and the Oxy 4 in general. If you're excited to get it, are you going to wait and take a look at a friend's to see when you get it and see if you want to buy it? Are you all in right away like I am? Let us know your thoughts. So I've got here the bag of accessories in typical Oxy fashion. Blade holder, zip ties, stickers, tail fin stickers, the swash plate leveling tool, Velcro, spare parts. All this stuff should be standardized in your final production kit. But again, please keep in mind, if it's not in your kit, this again is a pre-production sample. Main gear. My gosh, this thing is amazing. It's got your standard, if you will, Oxy orange and blue with a little bit of yellow paint scheme from Canomod. This thing is super thin, super narrow, but it's really tall and aggressive looking. I mean, look at the cutout here for the swash plate. It just gets it. It does it for me. It's awesome. It's going to be very visible. Due to the tall profile, the long extended back portion, this thing is going to be sick. I'm so looking forward to flying it. Main frames. Landing skid assembly. We've got our battery tray, bearing blocks, boom block, the battery tray. Got a registration card that is blank. I don't need it. You guys will need it. All the tail components, tail belt, blade grips, tail fin, etc. Rotor head, swash plate, main shaft. This rotor head is beefy. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is beefy. This will take some serious abuse. This thing is beautiful. I don't think I've seen a rotor block and blade grips of this size in a long time. This almost looks like it could go on a 380 heli. This is insane. Wow. I'm very, very impressed with this so far. I look forward to building this for you guys. All right, so that's about it. That's everything that I got here with some extra goodies. So we're gonna get this all sorted out. I've got the manual emailed to me from Oxy Heli. So again, thank you guys for taking care of that. And we're gonna get building on